guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here, coming to a random video. If you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, then keep watching. So starting off, like, see, like my hair, it feels a little dry right now. What you're gonna do is get you a spray bottle. Get you a spray bottle. Spray it. Spray the sucker good. Because with color, it's very, very easy for your hair to dry out. So just spray like a lot of water on it. Spray that. And what I usually do, I usually take this like styling gel right here. I don't know if you can see that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of this and we're gonna put it at the ends of the hair so we can make it curl more. So my eyebrows look really jacked up, but I'm about to redo them, so that don't matter. But yeah, just keep putting this in here, whatever. And then I'm gonna go in this Cantu Care for Kids, the curling cream. It's this one, something about no frizz. And so basically I take some of this, rub it together, this lot, and I just put it like all through here, because again, you don't want your hair to be dry. And so like I said, I don't want my hair to be dry, and you really want the curls to pop, whatever. So as you do that, once I do all of that, pretty sure all of it's not rubbed in, but that's okay. That's okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go and spray the edges, and you take your gel again, and you're gonna just like brush it, put it like all around the edges. Be careful so you don't get the other one caught in there. We're gonna redo that one, don't worry. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a hard brush. You're gonna brush. And it starts to come together just so smoothly. And so you can use a scrunchie or Band-Aid. Did I say Band-Aids? Rubber bands. Like me. And what I do is I hold all the hair up. Make sure I have this brushed up. All the hair brushed up. We're gonna tie this 3 times. Oh my god. And we're just gonna pull. Pull and fluff. Y'all see the difference?